any of them. I found one! I found one! Look! It's there behind that tree!
This is letter E. This is capital E, and tagging along is its little friend, small e. Listen carefully to the sound that E makes.
E says eh 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 eh. E says eh 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 as in elephant.
E, eh? I'm confused. Please sing it again.
Okay, this is how it goes.
E says eh 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 eh. E says eh 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 as in egg.
Now, do you know what sound E makes? You should sing along and practice. 1, 2, 3. Let's sing.
E says eh 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 eh. E says eh 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 as an engine.
Very good. Now sing again.
E says eh 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 eh. E says eh 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 as an elbow.